Welcome to the behind the scenes of premium dumbbell manufacturing, the kind you see in pro gyms and loved by serious lifters. It all starts with raw material, round steel. Dense, strong, and perfect for building a dumbbell that lasts a lifetime and beyond. Step 1. Cutting. The steel is trimmed to exact size with millimeter-level precision. Every centimeter matters. There's no room for error. It's a slow and demanding task, but it ensures every piece is solid and consistent. Once cut, the steel moves on to machining. One side first, then the other. The shape starts to take form. The lines sharpen. Bit by bit, the dumbbell comes to life. Meanwhile, the handle is crafted separately for optimal grip and balance. Now it's time for assembly, and here's where it gets intense. Friction welding. No glue, no screws, just heat, speed, and pressure. The spinning generates heat, fusing the metals together instantly. One solid piece. Repeat on the other side, and you've got a strong, seamless dumbbell. For comfort and safety, each dumbbell gets a protective rubber coating. Before wrapping, the metal is heated to stabilize it and improve bonding. Meanwhile, the rubber compound is being refined, blended, and reinforced. A custom formula designed for durability. It's kind of like baking. Mix the ingredients, knead the dough, just with a lot more strength involved. Once the mixture is ready, it's rolled into sheets, cut into strips, and prepped for wrapping. The heated dumbbell is wrapped in rubber, placed into a vulcanizing mold, and pressed. Under heat and pressure, the rubber expands, just like bread rising in the oven. Then the mold opens, and there it is, a coated, gym-ready dumbbell. Excess rubber is trimmed, edges are smoothed, and everything is double-checked. Now, these dumbbells come to life. In every gym, in every hand, they become more than just equipment. They become the extension of your will, of your grind, of your inner fire. Every drop of sweat, every flex, every representative. It all starts here with a piece of steel, forged by fire, driven by passion. So rise up, grip the weight, push your limits, because real strength isn't built in a factory. It's built inside you. And these dumbbells? They're ready to keep up. Now, it's your turn.